When you're driving an SUV full of friends and family, sometimes it's hard to communicate to those sitting in the rear, and sometimes those sitting back there just want a little peace and quiet. Here's where Palisade's Quiet Mode and available driver talk comes to the rescue. Quiet Mode allows rear seat passengers to rest or sleep in quiet, while still letting front seat occupants listen to their desired entertainment. To activate it, swipe left on the home screen. Press Quiet Mode. Touch the Quiet Mode icon. A green indicator will illuminate. Once enabled, the rear speakers are muted. In addition, front speaker volume level is set to 7 automatically. To end Quiet Mode, touch Quiet Mode again. The Palisade's available driver talk acts like an in-car intercom, allowing you to use the microphone above the driver's seat to communicate easily with rear seat passengers. To activate it, swipe left on the home screen. Press Driver Talk. The Driver Talk icon appears on the top right of the touchscreen to let you know it is active. Go ahead and speak, and your voice will be heard over the audio speakers in the rear cabin. To end the Driver Talk mode, press End on the touchscreen. If you have to navigate away from the Driver Talk screen while it is active, but then wish to end Driver Talk mode, simply press the End Call button on the steering wheel. This will also cancel Driver Talk mode. Please note that when Driver Talk is enabled, radio and media functions are unavailable. There you have it. Palisade's Quiet Mode and Driver Talk makes it simple to keep your passengers connected and comfortable.